Kraków. We flew here yesterday from Gdansk on a very small airplane with propellers. Today's our first full day here, and we plan to spend it going on a walking tour.
It's not, I wouldn't say it's the prettiest city we've been in so far, but that was just nice what we're just seeing now. I'm looking forward to the walking tour, and we'll touch base after that.
I can pick you up when you're heading down. When it all just sucks, I'll be your Charlie Brown. You can make me laugh when I wanna cry. In a world gone mad, we're on an all-time high. And it wouldn't be the same without you. We have yet so many stupid things to do. You're the only thing I'm holding on to. Anywhere and anything, I'll be there. You and I till the end. Don't need to pretend. Again and again, we'll stick together. Everything is alright with you by my side.
Our walking tour guide took us to St Mary's Cathedral, where he reenacted how adulterers were punished in days gone by.
On the neck of the person. Look okay, but take a look at the position of my legs. I'm between standing, leaning and sitting like skiing for 14 hours since early morning to late evening. And really muscles start to tremble, even I start to slide. I have enough.
So we just learned that trumpeter comes out and he does his little thing 4 times. And the reason that the melody cuts off really abruptly is because in the olden days he was actually shot in the throat as he was still playing.
Ouch.
And supposedly, if after the melody you wave to him and he waves back, you get good luck, is it?
Yeah.
Good luck.
And he waved back.
We already know we're lucky.
Rather enthusiastically, I thought.
I can pick you up when you're heading down. When it all just sucks, I'll be your Charlie Brown. You can make me laugh when I wanna cry. In a world gone mad, we're on an all-time high. You and I till the end. Don't need to pretend. Again and again, we'll stick together. Everything is alright with you by my side. We won't say goodbye. We'll stick together. And it wouldn't be the same without you. We have yet so many stupid things.
We just finished our walking tour. That was really good. Forget everything we said about Kraków not being the most beautiful place. We were just in the wrong place.
You forget
Clearly.
about being here just for a week and we'll have seen everything. That
Yeah.
won't happen either.
Yeah, we had only booked our Airbnb for a week because we thought it's another big city, what are we gonna do there? We got to the main square and decided then and there that we're gonna book at least another week. We'll see. There's just so much to do and it's beautiful.
And to think that I put my foot down and said we weren't going to Kraków.
Yeah. This is why I ignore him. We are in the Jewish quarter. We learned that our Airbnb is right between the Old Town and Kazimierz, which is a Jewish quarter. So on one side, they're all synagogues. On the other side, it's all Catholic churches, which is interesting. The old town seems to be our pick by far. It's just a lot prettier and pedestrian. But we've heard there's a lot of street art in the Jewish quarter, so we're here to have a look. Oh,
Correct.
I'm here to have a look.
I was here because it said that the best ice cream shop in the whole of Kraków was here.
And it's closed. I did not trick him. It actually is
Just
closed.
because it's 10 degrees, 8 degrees, 6 degrees.
That's warm enough for
to eat
ice cream.
Exactly.
We were looking for street art, but we found street food instead.
I can pick you up when you're heading down. When it all just sucks, I'll be your Charlie Brown. You can make me laugh when I wanna cry. In a world of men, we're on an all-time high.
Actually, can I get a
And until the end, don't be too pretend again.
Rob's finally gotten something that he's been wanting. Lodi. And what's more, yeah.
Green on ice cream.
Oh, sorry. It's just cold cream. And it's in this this chimney cake. They call them chimney cakes. Yeah. Don't forget to subscribe to join us in our travels.
Also, check out our Lucky Dippers podcast.